Okay, good morning, my dear students. Please be online quickly so that we can start MCQ part of this revenue chapter. Okay. Okay, PD, good morning. Only one candidate is there. Where are others? SB, good morning, beta. Morning, morning. Okay, so we get ready. Okay. Okay, so let us start now. MCQ part, chapter revenue. Okay, so I will be reading the questions as well as giving you to the options also with it. So you have to let me know which option will be correct. Okay. So question number 1: when average revenue curve is horizontal line, okay, horizontal straight line, then mass average revenue is like this. Okay, got it? Then margin revenue curve will be margin revenue curve will be okay, downward sloping, upward sloping, okay, parallel to the MR, or means horizontal straight line or parallel to the OX axis, or last point, inversely S shaped. MA downward sloping बेटे अच्छा okay, downward sloping recheck बेटा और listen के see I said average revenue curve is horizontal like this. So what would be the shape of margin revenue? Margin revenue MR. AR is equal to MR बेटे when prices are constant. Okay, when prices are constant, then average revenue is parallel to the OX axis. OX axis. OX axis. Okay. Now question number 2. Question number 2. Average revenue curve is downward sloping. Average revenue curve is downward sloping. Got it? Like this. That AR is downward sloping. OX axis, OY axis. Okay. Now question is that average revenue curve is downward sloping. So which option is correct? First option is prices fall with the rise in output. Prices fall with the rise in output. And output we are taking on the OX axis. Second, price initially rises at the increasing rate, then then at a diminishing rate. Third option, price remain same as all the level of output. Prices remain same as all the output, all the level of output. None of these. None of these is the fourth option. So which option is correct? Bete, please let me know. You are correct now. MA, you are correct now. See, if you look at the diagram and the option number 1, price falls with the increase in output. Price fall with the increase in output means when you will be selling more, average revenue is falling. Okay. Okay, good. Good job. Question number 3. Question number 3. When MR remain same, got it? So total revenue increases at margin revenue remain and here output. When margin revenue remains same, total revenue increases at constant rate, diminishing rate, increasing rate, none of these. Total revenue increases at what rate? Total revenue increases at what? Increasing rate, diminishing rate, constant rate, none of these. Which is the correct option? Constant rate? Yes, both are correct. Good. Okay, because total revenue. Okay. So total revenue is like this, TR. Okay. So AR is equal to MR and total revenue increases in this way. Constant rate. Very good. Okay. Question number 4. Question number 4. When price remains same with a rise in output, average revenue curve is when price remain same with a rise in output, price remain same. Got it? AR is also called price. Average revenue is also called price. So price remains same as output. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As output rise. Got it? So average revenue is first. Now they are asking what the average revenue. When prices remain same with the rise in the output, average revenue curve is vertical straight line parallel to the OY axis, horizontal straight line parallel to the OX axis, downward sloping or positive sloping. B, horizontal straight line. Okay, good. Yes. Okay. Horizontal straight line parallel to OX axis. Question number 5. When price fall with the rise in output, total revenue is filling the blanks when margin revenue is 0. When margin revenue is 0, they are asking about the total revenue. Okay, so you have to let me know about the total revenue. Maximum, second 0. Okay, minimum none of these. MA maximum. Okay, good. Yes. So when prices fall with the rise in output, okay, and your total revenue is maximum. Total revenue is maximum. So margin revenue 0. Good. Question number 6. Okay, question number 6. Okay, so what you have to do here, identify the correct margin revenue curve from the following options when prices remain same and rise in output. First, prices remain same, output increases. So what you have to do, you have to check which one or which option is correct. And question is related to the margin revenue. You have to find out margin revenue. Like this, first option, second option, margin revenue is like this, MR, third option is there, margin revenue is like this, and fourth option is there. So which one is the correct option? Okay, which one is the correct option? Identify the correct margin revenue when, okay, when prices remain constant, AR constant, average revenue constant with the increase in output. So increase in output. Prices are constant. Okay, this is MR. This is MR. This is your MR. Okay, margin revenue for the first. This is your MR, first one. Average revenue remain constant with the increase in output. In this case, what would be the shape of margin revenue, or which one is the correct? Yes, good. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes, yes, very. MAHS, ND, BD, SB, SP, all of you are correct, Vete. Question number 7. Question number 7. Okay. When price falls with the rise in output, when price fall with a rise in output, then margin revenue curve is steeper than the average revenue. Average revenue steeper than margin revenue. Third, margin revenue and average revenue curves coincide in the horizontal straight line. Coincide horizontal like this. That is the meaning of coincide. When both are okay same. One curve is representing two variables. None of these is the fourth option. So which option is correct, bete? Which is the correct option? Margin revenue steeper than average revenue. So even here I can draw like this: AR and MR. So like this, margin revenue is more steeper. Margin revenue is more steeper than average revenue when prices are falling. Okay, price is falling with the rise in output. Or okay, good. Question number 8. Question number 8, bete. Total revenue is the sum of margin revenue. Means total revenue is the sum of marginal revenue. Second, total cost is the sum of marginal cost. First point, second point. Okay. See, total revenue is the sum of marginal revenue and total cost is the sum of marginal cost. Now, tick the correct option. Now, I will be giving you 4 options. Option number 1, both A and B are correct. Second, both A and B are incorrect. Third, only A is correct. Fourth option, only B is correct. Okay? Please let me know, bete. Okay? Anyone else? Only MA, AD, A is correct. Okay? Okay. C option A is correct. Okay. Okay, good job. So here what happened? This is not correct. Correct is total variable cost is the sum of marginal cost. This is the correct word. Got it? Total variable cost is the sum of marginal cost. Marginal and variable means change. Okay? So this first option is correct. Good. Question number 9. Question number 9, wait. Okay. A ball seller has decided that, okay, there is a one person who is selling the balls, okay, cricket balls for example. A ball seller has decided that he will sell all his balls at a fixed price, rupee 10 each unit. Okay, there is a person who is selling the cricket ball and he decided the price for each ball, rupee 10. In such a case, you have to let me know about the shape of total revenue. Total revenue. So total revenue curve will be horizontal straight line parallel to the OX axis, vertical straight line parallel to the OY axis, positively sloped straight line passing from origin, and downward sloping or downward sloping. Okay, good, bete. Possibly slow or bird. Okay, that's the correct answer. When prices remain constant, the shape of total revenue is like this. When average revenue is like this, bete. Average revenue or price one are the same. Okay. Question number 10. What happened to total revenue when margin revenue is positive? Okay, what happens to the total revenue when margin revenue is positive? First, total revenue increases. Second, total revenue decreases. Third option, total revenue maximum. And the fourth option is total revenue remain same. Total revenue remain same. What happens to total revenue when margin revenue is positive? Okay, total revenue increases, decreases, maximum or remain same. MA, total revenue increases, and D, total revenue increases. Okay, very good. SB, SF, okay, SB, SP, correct, bete. Question number 11. Question number 11, bete. When total revenue is constant, what will be the effect on the average revenue? Total revenue constant, what will be the effect on the average revenue? Average revenue will fall, average revenue will increase, average revenue will also be constant. Fourth, no effect on average revenue. No effect on average revenue. When total revenue is constant, what will be the effect on the average revenue? Okay, AR will fall, AR will increase, AR will be constant, no effect on AR. Okay, good, bete. Good job, bete. Question number 12. If total revenue curve is horizontal straight line, total revenue horizontal straight line parallel to the OX axis. See, TR parallel to the OX axis. When margin revenue will be coincide of X axis, slope downward, slope upward, horizontal straight line parallel to the X axis. Total revenue is horizontal straight line parallel to the OX axis, total revenue. So margin revenue will be coincide with okay. Question number 13. Question number 13. When the rate at the rate of fall in margin revenue. Rate of fall in margin revenue is more than average revenue. Okay, understood the question? Okay, the rate of fall in MR is greater than AR. So first option number 1, price increases with the increase in output. Second, prices decreases with the increase in output. Third, price remains constant with the increase in output. Fourth, all of these. AD, option number B, prices decreases with increase in output. Good. Question number 14. Question number 14, bete. If a firm's total revenue curves take the form of straight line, total revenue straight line, which passes through the origin, straight line, TR. If a firm's total revenue curves takes the form of the straight line, okay, which passes through the origin, then price is greater than, first option, price is greater than margin revenue. First option number 1, price is greater than margin revenue. Second option is price is less than margin revenue. Third option, price is equal to margin revenue. Fourth option, all. Equal, MA, equal, okay. Okay, AD, UK, HS, all of you in the favor of third point. Question number 15. Question number 15, okay. At any given level of firm's output, margin revenue is the average revenue earned by selling. Margin revenue is the average revenue earned by selling entire output, additional unit of output. Okay, both A and B, neither A nor B. At any given level of firm's output, margin revenue is revenue earned by selling. Margin revenue is the revenue earned by selling entire output, additional unit of output. Okay, both A and B, neither A nor B. Which is the correct one? Additional unit of output. Good. Question number 16. Margin revenue refer to additional to the total revenue when more unit of output is produced. Listen carefully. Additional to the total revenue when one more unit of variable factor is implied. Okay. For third option, addition to the total revenue when more unit of the one more unit of output is sold. Fourth option, all of above. Which one is correct? Okay. Nishan third, Mansi third option. Okay. Suhani C. Okay. Okay, good. Good, bete. UKSPHS. Okay, good. Very good, bete. Which one? Okay. AD? Okay. I am going to repeat my question that margin revenue MR. So, what is the definition of margin revenue? Change in the total revenue. Change in the total revenue when one more unit of output is sold. Sold. Got it? Total revenue N minus total revenue N minus 1. It means we have, if you sold one more unit, got it? When you are selling one more, it means there is a change in your total revenue. Understood? That you have sold 10 pen and the price of each is 10 rupee. So total revenue 100. Now you sold one more pen, 11th unit. So price, when price is constant, so how much you will get? Total revenue would be 11 10, means 100. Okay, 110. So 110 is the total revenue and the change in the total revenue of rupee 10. Why there is a change in the total revenue by 10? Because you sold one more. And what is the price of that particular unit? Rupee 10. Understood? Okay? Clear? Question number 17. Okay. Now question number 17. There you have to do the calculation part. Okay. At price rupee 20, 15 units are sold. Price rupee 20, unit sold 15, and at price, new price 19. So you can also write P1 and Q1. 16. Okay, this is the information. Initial price 20, initial quantity sold 15, new price 19, and quantity sold, new quantity sold 16. Understood? Based on this information, what is the margin revenue resulting from the increase in output from 15 to 16? Calculate MR when you move from 16 to 15 to 16. Means when you sell 16 units, okay, the time, let me know about the margin revenue. Margin revenue and total revenue is equal to P into Q. Understood? This is the formula of total revenue. And what is the formula of margin revenue? Total revenue N minus total revenue N minus 1. Understood? Calculate margin revenue. Do the calculation. AD 4, MA 4, okay. Okay, very good. Very good, bete, very nice. Okay. So, rupee 4 is margin revenue. Well done. Question number 18. Question number 18. If total revenue and quantity, okay, total revenue is equal to the quantity sold, then total revenue divided by Q refer to what? Okay, total revenue equal to the quantity sold, then total revenue divided by Q refer to what? First, zero revenue. First option, zero revenue. Second option, average revenue. Third option, margin revenue. And fourth option is none of these. None of these. Okay, good. And this is also the formula of average revenue. Average revenue is the total revenue upon quantity. Okay. When price fall with the rise in output, when price fall with the rise in output as the quantity sold increases, okay, whenever there is a fall in the price, definitely quantity sold, okay, that will be increased, okay, with the rise in output. When price fall with the rise in output, then as quantity sold increases, first MR falls quickly than AR, second both MR and AR fall at the same rate. Third option, MR, AR do not change. Last option is MR falls slowly than AR. AD, first option is there. MR falls quickly than AR. Okay, very good job by all. Goodbye. Tomorrow we will start producers equilibrium. Next chapter, producers equilibrium. Okay. So chapter is over now, bete. Producers equilibrium will be started tomorrow.